What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today's episode, another episode of the Sneaker Invest, where I'm gonna share you the one that I sold on GOAT and StockX. So I'm gonna take it out from the box or the storage today, and then I'm gonna share you how much I made, the return of investment, and how long did I been sitting on this for the return of investment. And I'm gonna share you some tips and tricks along the way. So without further ado, let's go. Starting off what we sold on GOAT. So we sold this Air Jordan 5, so it should be somewhere around here. AY03, I bought them for $119. This is the Air Jordan 5 Retro Laney, and as you can see, 10.5. I was hoping I could keep this one, but I'm still thinking. I still have two, as you can see right there. Maybe if I could sell the other one. Okay, here we go. Check this out. We got the Air Jordan 5 Retro Laney. Now I've been sitting this one for almost like 9, 10, 11 months. So it's not bad, Paul. So I sold this for $135.27 minus the 2.9% PayPal fees. I also bought them on Nike Factory Store. As you've seen, $119 minus 20%. It's not 30, it's 20%. So somewhere $95. And then minus the sold on GOAT is $131.34, somewhere $36 return of investment. So it's almost like 30 to 40% return of investment. Not bad. What do you think of this one? You like it? If you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up? All right, moving on. We got the Jordan Specific OG. So it should be around here. There we go. This one don't have box, as you can see. If I'm not mistaken, I bought this on Burlington. Bought them for $50. I sold them for $81 or $80.97. So minus the 2.9 PayPal fees, came down to $78.62. So minus the $50 should be $29. So somewhere around 50% return of investment. So I'll think about if I still want to keep it or not. I'm just gonna let it go. Hey, check that out, a patent leather, or make a custom, like put some kind of blackish or brownish, like a Travis cut right here, and this toe guard right here, because that's the only one the only thing that like blew me off. This green colorway, the all black and with that red thing. It's not bad anyway though. But anyway, would you like to keep them for the collection or not, or you want to let it go? But anyway, 50% return on investment. What do you think? Can you please leave a comment down below? Moving on. Okay, so we got the Women's React Element 55. I believe this one is the last pair we got. Yep, actually, as you can see, I bought them for $37. That's the price after the discount. Last pair of this one. This one is the Women's React Element 55 Wolf Gray 7.5. Bought them for $37.97. I sold them for $67.40 minus a 2.9% PayPal fees. Came down to $65.44 minus the buy cost, which is $37 or $38. That would be some more $27. So it's like a 70% return of investment. This is the Air Vapor Max 2019 Pure Platinum Black and Bold. This is why the color thing, that's why it's not that moving that fast, because of this greenish and pink. But I still sold them for $126.22 and 2.9 PayPal fees, $122.55 minus the buy cost of $69, came down to 54. So that's like 80% return of investment. Next one, we got the Nike Killshot. So if you didn't know, you could still, you could still sell sneakers without the top cover on GOAT, and you just need to make a competitive price to make it sell. And this one retailing for 90. It is the Killshot 2 leather, sail midnight navy, gum yellow bottom, size 13. Bought them $49.99, and minus the 20, not 30, okay, 20% off. So came down to like 39 or some more 40, and I sold them for $94.55 minus the 2.9% PayPal fees, $91.80 minus the buy cost of 40, somewhere $52. So boom, 100%, more than 100% return of the investment. This one is very simple. Would you like to have this one also on the collection? Well, I think this one would be somewhat like timeless for me because it's just, not too much a hype, simple Nike. Probably when I grow old, you could still keep them, and that's why I wanted to have it simple, that you can pair it with something different kind of casual wear. Don't have to be like very loud. Well, what do you think? Check out that leather right there. It's nice leather, very soft. The only thing that don't like it is this one. It crunkles every time. See, it haven't been used yet. It's still brand new, but looks like it's been worn because of the leather. But hey, I still keep one on the collection. Okay, moving on, and we call this the Blue Force. There we go. Boom. This one actually I sold them before on eBay, and someone returned it because they said it's uncomfortable. I asked for a very high price before, but since I lost a little bit from the shipping, that's why I sold it on GOAT. More expensive to get my money back from that loss of shipping when they return, because they said it's not accurate or something. But anyway, it happens. So it's just part of reselling on eBay. Sometimes people return it. It happens, so you can't avoid that one. But anyway, this is the Air Vapor Max Plus Blue Force, and retail on this one is $190. This is the 10.5. That's why I'm saying I would like to keep them, because I got me also a somewhat like this but a different colorway. It's like the black or grayish colorway with some kind of green accent. This one is really nice, a white bluish. That's it, not too much, but still like it pops out the color. That how much did I make on this one? I bought this for $99.99 minus the 20%, so somewhere $79.2, and I sold them for $194. So it's more than the retail price, more than the retail. So somewhere $188.47 minus the buy cost of $79, making a $109. So it's like 130% return of investment. Wow! Now I made my money back from that eBay shipping. And now it's better because I sold them on GOAT, so they won't be able to return it. That's it, what we sold on GOAT. Moving on to what we sold on StockX, and we only have one that we sold in StockX, and this one is the Nike Air Force One Low. And here we go. What do you think on the color of this one? This one is the Nike Air Force One Low Sport NBA University Gold, or the Lakers colorway. As you can see, AF1, the NBA logo on the back, with some kind of patent-ish thing here on the shoes. Not bad for the color. That's why I'm keeping one of it. I already got me in the collection though. It's on the storage already. So this one I bought them for $54.97 minus the 30% off from Nike, so some more 38. So I sold them for 87.62 minus the buy cost of 38. Because I sold them on StockX, you don't have to pay for the PayPal fee, or so it's already been deducted after the what I made. And now it came down to 49.62, some more $50. So right there, somewhere a 100% return of investment. Boom. It's good to wait for this one. Not bad. Timeless Air Force One. What do you think? If you have been gone on this part, can you please leave a thumbs up? Now we're moving on to, hey, we got one more that we sold on Mercari. Let's go get it. So since we only have one that we sold on Mercari, I just wanted to add this one in the video. And check this out. We got this Air Force One. So here we go. We got here the Air Force One 07 LV8. Just do it white. As you can see, there is some kind of engraving or lettering. Just do it on the shoes. It's just simple white, and that's it. Just do it right there. Not too much, not much. And the tongue, as you can see, the tongue right there, that's a simple one. And it comes with this some kind of just do it also. And as you can see, this one I bought this for $40 right there. I bought this on Ross, so 40 plus 6%, somewhere 42.4. And how much did I sold them? I sold them for 153. Yay! I was kind of tempted to keep this one also, because the Air Force One in white, to add it to the white collection, but it is size, check the size 13. No, it's not 13. This one is 11 and a half. Oh, right there, 11 and a half. Okay, and I'm in size 10 and a half, so it's like too much. And you have to have like Air Force, you have to go half a size down or one size down. But this one, 11 and a half, I can't. Too much big for me. And I sold them for 153 minus the buy cost. I sold them for 153 minus the fees, somewhere $15. I'm making at least 137.70 minus the buy cost, which is 42, and then I will make 95.3. So that is more than 100% return of investment. Wow, what do you think? Can you please a thumbs up? What do you think? So if you are close to Ross, don't miss out. And if you're close to Burlington, just check them out. You might gonna find some gems right there to resell and also to keep on the collection. And that's all what we sold on StockX, Goat, and Mercari. I hope you like this video. I hope you learned something new regarding what I sold on StockX, Goat, and Mercari. And if you like it, please don't hesitate to leave a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below. I would love to hear your thought. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. As always, Nolasco here. I'll see you in the next one. Ingat po kayo. Bye-bye. Peace.